Welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today we got something very funny for you. We're gonna have an unboxing today. We're gonna talk about what I was talking in my little short video. Why I'm probably gonna be switching on my graphic card to nicehash, and we're gonna do that after a regular intro. And I'll see you there. Alright guys, so we are back, and you can see it, we got a brand new 3060 Ti. We're gonna do a quick unboxing on this one. Also we're gonna talking about why I'm switching to nicehash and some of my graphic card. The reason behind that, it will be the problem with the exchange, timing with the exchange, transaction fee you gotta pay, and I've been doing a lot of calculation stuff, and if I'm gonna hold on the coin, it makes no sense for me to just go and mine directly with nicehash. But I really stack on my sack, so I got a very large amount of coin I've been stacking right now. And the next phase is I need to do an expansion, and in order to do an expansion I need to get money from different sources. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start using the graphic cards we got, and we're gonna go ahead and do that expansion. Right now I just got this 3060 Ti. When you got it, this is a light hash. It's the LHR, so it's the large one. And one of the things it is if we're not doing something for the expansion, I mean, I'm just gonna keep mining and hard on and pay electricity on my pocket. It's one of the great strategic in the long term, probably will pay off, but also on the same time I want to do innovation, so I want to go up and adding on more cars and start replacing also the old cars. So I can sell the old car, but I'm probably, if I sell 3 of my regular graphic card, I'm probably gonna be able to get one more, the 3060, but it's gonna be LHR, low hash. And the other thing is the revenue coin situation is we're gonna having a halving in the end of the year. We probably will get very decent price. We don't know what's gonna hold them for us after Ethereum going to 2.0, but it's fine with me. Also we have all the little problems. This is why a lot of the content creators from the mining side don't talk too much about ETC, Ethereum Class. Ethereum Class is planning to move also next year to ETH 3. So lyrically, when those two coins leave, there will be no more jumping around. Also ETC decided not to do the change, but at the end of the day, like I said, we just are miners. We are running a business, they're running their own business. We see in it now they calling the centralized, they all totally centralized, because if it was decentralized, they'll be sending an email and say, oh, we want all the whole community to come over here and vote for any proposal we got. No project do that. Let's be honest, no project do that besides you hold the coin. When you call the centralized product is when you really do and hold everybody accountable for everything. So that means when we're gonna do a proposal, we're gonna get the whole community, even you not hold the coin or not, be allowed to vote. That's called decentralized for me. For me, no coin is decentralized for me. I mean, I had to hold the coin, I had to hold second amount of coin, or I gotta be part of the project development to order to decide what is good for the project or not. So at the end of the day, it's not decentralized. Still centralized in a second way in different situations. Oh, like you see, we got all regular welcome stuff. Probably you see that on my last 3070 Ti unboxing. Regular stuff. we still got the little, well, we only get one book this time. We got our MSCI login, and oh, so we can get a MSCI Platinum credit card. I'll maybe check it out, this one. I'm about to check this one out. I like this one. And probably that's for game and stuff like that you buy on the website. Let's put this back over here, and I'm gonna put this up right on the side over here, and I'm gonna take this card out over here. I don't think it's anything on there. It's just regular packing. They get cheap every time with the packet. The only thing they're not be changing is sometime sooner we're just gonna get this right there. We just cardboard on it, holding them out with plastic. So they go the way they're going. You can see it's still brand new. Sorry for the noise. Okay, it's not super big. Don't see. This is plastic, hard plastic. It's not something. Well, I'm very surprised for MSI. Yep, they put a thermopass behind the memory. Super cool about that. I'm very impressed. Wow, better memory system. They fixing it. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can see. You can see it like right here, the sticking of the memory right there, that section right there. And let's see if we can see the probably not. Let me see if I can get my flashlight. Let me get the flashlight and let's see if we can. Let's see. I don't think we're gonna be able to see it. Oh, flashlights now. That's why. Let's see. You guys can see it right there. Let's see, right there. You guys seen it now? Okay, so I'm very pumping about this one. This one, they decided to fix the issue with the memory hitting. A lot of people be complaining about that. So this is a plug for MSCI. It's a pretty good job on that one. Look like they cover now what is the cap they've been putting behind this, the GPU. So we're gonna figure out that later on. Also, we got our 2, 6 and 8 pins. I'm assuming the red one over there is for down right there. It's gonna be for the LED, and the other one is just gonna be for fans. This is gonna be a regular unboxing. Still got 2 more of the Asus 2060. They're still not working yet. We're gonna put it to work. I need one more. I'm gonna need to get 4 more of those cards. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna combine my 2060 with the 3060s I got, and we're gonna go and make nice silver cases. Also, we are transferring all the graphic card to my silver cases. Got one more on the way. Is trying to put 8 cards in his silver cases, so I got everything complete, and we're gonna work through to that into the system. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a nice, because what happened is my manager, I got 20 graphic cards over there, plus I got down over there, I got 1, 2, 3 working, plus the one using for editing sometime when I'm editing, and I'm mining on that one. Basically, I'm not even mining on this computer. I'm not using it for mining at all. But if I put it all together, we got total of 28 graphic card outside, plus plus I got 3 more over here. That's 31. I got 2 more over here. That's make it 33. This is gonna be 34. And also I have a Aero 3 Plus AC. And that one made me up with 35 equipment. Those 35 equipment all together eating about roughly 5 kilowatt hour. That's how I do my map. I do my map a little bit over or what are they eating it, because I have to include extra costs when it comes to my income and stuff like that, in order to make sure they pay for the taxes. So that's why I include a little bit, probably an extra kilowatt hour sometimes, depending on what it is and what I'm gonna do in it. Roughly right now I calculate on my electricity at 12 cents. Even I pay less than that, about, I think we pay about 11. The more I use, the lower it's coming down. During the summertime, it's 11 cents, 11 cents and 11.98 cents. And during the cold time, my electricity bill is coming down to about 5 cents kilowatt. About 5 cents plus, I think it's 0.0022 transmission fee they charge me on that time, and they split that to the whole year. So let's see if they say 6 cents, and when I do my math for the whole year, total kilowatt average is about 9, less than 10 cents a kilowatt. Yeah, but I had to run it exactly. I had to do my math on 5 kilowatt, even using a little bit on the 5 kilowatt, in order to see what is my average cost it is and how much money I gotta keep putting into the electricity account. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I will see you. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting out more contests. Right now I'm only putting contests Monday, Friday and Wednesday. I'm planning to add in Thursday, so that means it will be 4 video week, and as we go we'll be increasing the weekly video, but for right now we only doing 3. Last week we started with 3. Maybe in 2 weeks more we're gonna be adding more video extra week, and following that, if you're seeing everything's going well, we'll be adding a 5th video in it. And if this continue growing up, this channel, I will continue adding a video into the point we're going daily videos, and maybe we're going up to 2 videos a day. I don't think I can get 2 videos a day, but I will try my best to help you guys to do everything you guys need to be done. Alright, thank you for watching. I will see you into the next one.